The LG G9 ThinQ was expected to arrive at the now cancelled MWC trade show in Feb 2020. LG is promising to hold a separate event in the near future, but is LG going to pleasantly surprise us with the LG G9 ThinQ, or is it going to be another just alright device with a couple of neat tricks up its sleeve? The rumor mill is now in motion, and we have some interesting information coming from reliable sources that suggests that the LG G9 ThinQ may indeed turn out to be a very desirable phone. The design stays similar to the G8X, and the screen looks like it will be around 6.7 to 6.9 inches, which is standard these days, with an in-screen fingerprint scanner and a camera notch. There's not too much else we know apart from the dimensions, presence of quad camera setup and USB-C port. LG hasn't been a leader in terms of display. It follows the pack when it comes to increasing screen real estate, moving to a taller aspect ratio, reducing the bezels, and introducing a notch. The next big step comes in the form of true in-display cameras, but that won't be reality at least this year. It doesn't look like LG will settle for a hole punch selfie camera either. The latest leaks suggest that the LG G9 ThinQ will have a small water drop type notch and a relatively even frame around the display. The LG G9 ThinQ won't have the slimmest of bezels, but it seems like LG is trying to keep the width of the bezels relatively even on all sides of the screen, though it appears thicker at the bottom as can be expected. In software, there's an upgrade. LG recently sort of unveiled the next version of its UX Android skin. Yep, it's called UX, and it seems to address many of the issues that we have had with the previous iterations. In a now deleted teaser trailer for the update, the company showed off what looked like a total redesign of the interface, packing a lot of new features. The video has since been taken down because the video immediately started drawing comparisons with Samsung's One UI and how similar UX 9 is to One UI. Now we don't know if the company decided to remove all the information about LG UX 9.0 due to the apparent similarities with the One UI, or simply because it was shared earlier than intended. But what we saw in the video made us both optimistic and a bit worried. Now I said worried cause many of you like the stock Android and the UX might not be well optimized. About its cameras, we have no information regarding the exact specs of the cameras, but if we were to venture a guess, we would bet on the tried and true formula of combining a wide, ultra-wide, telephoto and depth sensing cameras together. This covers a wide range of focal lengths and also provides some improved depth measuring capabilities for things like portrait mode and AR applications. Apart from this, LG has impressed us with audio in the past. LG phones have excellent quad DAC and headphone audio quality. The headphone jack is also present, which is a dying breed in premium smartphone segment. The company told at MWC 2019 that going forward all V series phone will be 5G and all G series will be 4G. But that's now looking unlikely since Qualcomm confirmed that the new Snapdragon 865 chipset will include a 5G modem as standard, which means LG can't keep the G9 4G without giving up on flagship specs, which again seems unlikely. Now the big question is, when is the LG G9 coming out? With MWC no longer taking place, expect a launch event likely in March 2020. So that's the LG G9 ThinQ. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.